All right, we got this really nice Cuisinart coffee maker. I just think Cuisinart makes really nice coffee makers. All the Cuisinart coffee makers I've used are just they're amazing. They get the job done, and they make a really nice cup of coffee. So I'm gonna open this up really quick just to show you. There's the filter VOD we got here. There's where you'd put the water, and it measures it right in there. You'd see the water in there to show you how much you have. You close that up. Turning it on is very easy. I'll just turn it on. It's got the temp button, the clean button. You can hit bold if you want to do that, which I should have already done. I can hit that there. You can hit the tone button, and you can also control the 1 to 4 cups right there. So then we got this knob down here where it shows auto on. I'll just go through it. Auto on, brew, clock, auto off, program. We're just going to put brew on, and I'm actually going to turn this off because I don't actually need to use it right now. But this thing's amazing. Cuisinart coffee makers, that's what's up. Highly recommend.